Imagine an AI that's completely free, rivals ChatGPT, and comes straight out of China. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if it's real and it's changing the game? Well, today we're diving into DeepSeek, the Chinese AI that's making waves. Is it a genius or just another fool? Stick around because what you're about to see might just blow your mind. ChatGPT has been a game changer, but its subscription plans can be a bit pricey. Enter DeepSeek, a completely free alternative developed in China, aiming to rival ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Facebook's Llama. You can ask it questions, request tasks, and it will respond, just like the top contenders. But does it truly stand a chance? Let's find out. First, let's dive into the interface. It's sleek, simple, and super user-friendly, with some standout options like DeepThink for deep reasoning and a powerful search feature. Oh, and you can upload files up to 100 megabytes, great for handling documents. Plus, it supports almost all languages, making it accessible to a global audience. So far, it's looking solid. Now let's put DeepSeek to the test. I'll start by asking it a simple question. Tell me about yourself. It responds, I'm DeepSeek V3, an artificial intelligence assistant created by DeepSeek. I'm at your service and would be delighted to assist you with any inquiries or tasks you may have. Let's test its logic with a riddle. Everyone has one, but no one can lose it, and it responds, the answer to the riddle is a shadow. Let's test it with a harder riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? And it responds, the answer to this riddle is an echo. Now I will test it with this riddle from the 1800s that has still never been solved, and I will use the DeepThink option. You will find this riddle in the description, so if you are smart, you can share your responses in the comments. It starts thinking and it responds, the answer to the riddle is a rainbow. And it looks like the answer. It's really blown my mind. Now, let's test its ability to search the web. I'll ask it, tell me about the YouTube channel Nisam. He makes videos about AI and how to make money online. It searches the web and provides some insights about AI and how to make money online. Let's ask it to provide me the link to my channel. Let's see the response. It has done a great job giving me the exact link to my channel. It's impressive that it can pull this information from the internet. Next, I'll test its ability to write articles. I'll ask it to write an article about the HMPV virus in China. It generates a detailed article with accurate information, but it doesn't follow the article structure, so I will ask it again. Write me a full article with a professional outline. Look at this result. It's really amazing and follows a good structure to give us this result. It's much better at writing articles than ChatGPT. Now, let's put DeepSeek to the ultimate productivity test, handling large documents. I upload a PDF and ask it to summarize and translate it into French. And the result? Detailed summary, accurate translation. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with large files. This feature alone makes DeepSeek a standout. As you can see, it can't analyze or describe images like ChatGPT, but for a free tool, especially with its strengths in writing and handling PDFs, it's still pretty impressive. Finally, I'll test its ability to summarize large books. I'll upload a 132-page book and ask it to summarize it. It reads all the pages and provides a summary. It can handle the entire book even if it's really large. This AI model is really amazing and impressive as it can summarize entire books. So, is DeepSeek a genius or just another fool? Honestly, it's a powerful AI model with some standout features. Sure, it's not perfect, no image descriptions like ChatGPT, but for a free tool, especially for writing and handling PDFs, it's impressive. Curious to try it for yourself? The link's in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious.